So, well, experts and also our Prime Minister this morning are saying that hydrogen will be the oil of the future. But there are still a couple of questions to be solved, as we heard from Michael's speech. So many activities on the production side, many activities on the user side, but very few in the middle on the transportation, storage and distribution side. And so one of the major questions is how to get the hydrogen from A to B. So current solutions are related to very high infrastructure investments. They are related to high pressure, and they are related to hazardous chemicals. This is the way how we store and transport the energy of the hydrogen. We use, I can take this is a fully loaded storage element. I can take it in my hand. It stayed on my desk for 3 weeks already. This is a fully loaded storage element. It's all about oxidation and reduction of iron. You can also call it rusting and derusting. And this is how it works. So we have these iron oxide nuggets inside our storage. You put hydrogen on that. The hydrogen grabs out the oxygen and leaves the storage again as steam. And so you can reuse the steam and the electrolyzer to produce fresh hydrogen. For unloading, it's the other way around. You inject steam and you set free fresh hydrogen. But that means in the storage, you just have iron when it's filled. So our storage, hydrogen goes in, hydrogen comes out, but in the meantime, there's no hydrogen in there at all, which means it's no danger of hydrogen losses, no pressure, just iron, easy to permit, very safe. So we start with these nuggets. In the first step, we put these nuggets into vessels and these vessels into containers, and you can handle these containers with existing classical infrastructure. It's not a dangerous good, and you can start your hydrogen projects with these containers now. Next year, pretty close, not in a 10 years perspective. You can start now. And in a long-term perspective, we will just carry around these nuggets as a bulk. And this will decrease the cost again significantly, and so we will much less costly than all the other options we have seen on the slides before. So we really offer the missing link to build up the hydrogen economy. We offer loading units, our transport containers, and the unloading units respectively. One example of how to deal with that is you use a train, you put 100 of our containers on the train, and you build a rolling pipeline to connect any solar power plant in the middle of nowhere with a hydrogen hub somewhere else, and you will be able to reduce the transport costs to below $1 per kilogram. So to summarize our USPs, it's all about efficiency. So in terms of electricity and water, it's all about using existing infrastructure. It's all about quick loading and unloading, and it's about low risks. And all this leads to significantly cost reduction efforts. So when coming to our company, we started our activities 4 years ago. In a garage, we built a 1 liter unit to prove this. Then we scaled up to 10 liter. We scaled up to 100 liter. And now we are pretty close. We are currently building the 1,000 liter unit. And there's one final step missing to achieve our standard product, a 20-foot container with 6,000 liter storage volume, which means 600 kilograms of hydrogen in there. And we are currently working on the Series A funding to enable that, and we would invite you to join this point to pave the way to the 400 million euro business we try to achieve in 4 years from now. So all what we have achieved so far was possible due to the great team. And Uwe and myself, we founded the company. Uwe is the carrier of the technology, so he invented what we are doing, and I'm taking care of the rest of the business. We together have a long-term experience in the energy sector and also in the energy business. Uwe is the practical guy. He gets every machine to be operated, and I take care of the business development. So we would be happy if you would join us to dig for the nuggets of the future. Thank you.